Let's learn addition. Each container has a corresponding number of berries. Blue has 1, green has 2, and red has 3. Add the berries in each container, 1 plus 2, and you'll get the answer 3. Now let's add the correct number of berries for each container. Red has 3 and blue has 1. Count them together, you'll get the answer 4. For the next problem, let's put 3 berries on the red container and 2 in the green one. Count them all together. The answer is 5. Using manipulatives helps students visualize and understand abstract mathematical concepts by physically interacting with objects. They make math more concrete, especially for younger learners or for visual and tactile learners. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.